Hey guys, I'm gonna try to talk loud here because there's a lot of cars. I'm in the capital of Dominican Republic, the Santo Domingo. So it's way busier here than where I was before, and I am looking at a nursery. See if we can find some succulents. I think that's one right there. I have that one. And here's some orchids. I am talking loud. Let's see what else. Look at chicken over there. Here's some more plants. I don't know if they have succulents here. Look at that one. That's pretty cool. Is he gonna follow us? I'm being followed. They're just probably wondering what I'm doing. Why am I recording? Look, they got some really pretty desert roses over there. Sorry guys, I'm just a little nervous recording because I don't know if they're wondering what I'm doing because I'm speaking English and stuff like that.
He said there's another place. He doesn't have any. He said there's another place that has a bunch.
Oh yeah, is it far? Oh yeah, cool. I'll just show them a little bit here and then I'll go. This is one bed. That's a succulent right here. That one's cool. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna record here, and then I'm gonna go to the other one. So I'm here in another nursery that they told me where I can find some succulents. Really cute little nursery here. And I found over here. Look at this one. Really cute. Like I said, guys, I feel weird. So yeah, let me just show you these right here. Look at all these right here.
Succulent.
Sí, yo lo sé. $3.95. So they will say that is for I think that's $8. I'm not sure. So, yeah. And then I'm gonna go this way and look at here. These are the ones that I found. Some of them, obviously, they are a little stretched out because they're looking for sun here. Well, look, it's the same ones. Subsilis. No, Pomodonis. And I think Subsilis. Or that's Pomodonis. Whatever. But I'm getting my fix here of succulents. So that's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Look at these. These are sempervivums. If I buy something, I think I would buy it small. I don't know if I'm putting in my luggage and they might take it out and throw it away, but I don't know. That's the risk I'm willing to take. So, but that's the succulents that I found, and then some right here, and then some over here. Okay, guys. So this is in the city of Dominican Republic. A lot of beautiful plants around here. Let's see back here. So this is very different than where I was before. Where I was very country in Jarabacoa, and this here is very city. Very busy city. Lots of big buildings. It's very developed. So yeah, I'll try to show you guys some of it so you guys can see. Okay, bye guys. On the way back to his dad's house, we found this beautiful nursery. This is probably the one that we were supposed to find originally. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you guys that I get nervous recording. Huh? Just because, you know, I'm pretty sure they're wondering what am I doing. So I'm just showing you. This is really pretty here. I like it. Look at that. That's so cute. I like the tires, how they paint the tires. And then they put plants in them. That's a pretty cool idea. I like that. I'm going to go check inside and see what they have. Hopefully you don't look at me funny. Same? Did you see prices? So far, guys, prices are the same as over there regarding plants. Oh, I like gnomes. Let me see. No, that's a gnome house. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, wow, that's cute. That is cute. So how much would you say that is, honey? Kind of tell them.
Wow,
It's
25. That's like $60.
That's like $60 in American money. That's a lot of money for here in Dominican Republic. Look at this one. Look at these. Cute. I like the mushrooms that they made. There are lots of orchids. Lots of orchids. These are so cute, these houses that they have here. Buen dia. Oh, look, here are the... Now I'm kind of wishing that I would have waited to come here to buy a plant. Look at that one. Is that rat's tail? I think it is. Look at all these cactuses. Look, this is the one I have at home, the peanut cactus. Porthia. A bunch of vases. This is really cute. Greenhouse. Very pretty. Here are a bunch of succulents here. That's cute in the pot. A lot of similar ones that they have over there. It's pretty. I wonder what this one is. Huh? I like it here, yeah. Huh? Yeah. But too big is hard to take because you risk breaking it in your luggage. Isn't that cute? Yeah, this is a regular one that they have over there too. I like how that one is draping down. That's pretty cool. Look at the fountain on the bike. So cute. Let me do some, show you guys this here. That's cute. Right there. And then over here, those are cute. That's cute. And then the pretty orchids. And now I'm gonna, oh look, they have a lot of the hanging ones too. So now I'm gonna look at a plant. Okay guys, my husband just found this and he told me to show you guys. He's less nervous than I am because, you know, he's like, it's fine, it's fine. Anyways, let me just show you this. Hold up, here's some more. Hey guys, so I'm back to the dad's house. Just want to show you the 2 plants that I bought. I don't know or remember the name of that one. If you guys know, let me know. It does look like something green is called. It's very green, light green, but now that I'm thinking about it, it does look a little bit like one I have. But those leaves are longer, I believe. And then this cactus, I definitely don't know the name. It just looked easy to transport, so I picked that one. These guys, just want to show you a little bit of the view here. Like I said, the city, so lots and lots of buildings. Lots of tall buildings too. See, all the way up here. I want to show you the difference between where I was and here. So yeah, just want to show you guys. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.